Some fans are designed to look good in a living room. Others are designed to move serious air day after day, without complaint. This one clearly belongs in the second category, and that distinction matters. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel built around calm, experience-driven reviews for people who want practical, reliable products. Today we're reviewing the Amazon Basics 18-inch high-velocity industrial floor fan. This is a metal-built, high-output fan intended for large spaces like garages, workshops, gyms, warehouses, or commercial rooms where airflow matters more than aesthetics. If you've struggled with heat buildup, poor circulation, or fans that simply don't push enough air, this model is designed specifically for that problem. You'll find the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Reason number 1. High-velocity airflow output. This fan produces up to 2,910 cubic feet per minute of airflow on its highest setting. In practical terms, that means it can quickly move stale, warm air out of large spaces, and create noticeable circulation where smaller fans fall short. Reason number 2. Industrial-grade metal construction. The housing and blades are made from durable metal, including 3 heavy-duty aluminum blades. This construction supports consistent performance in demanding environments and resists the flex and vibration common in lighter plastic designs. Reason number 3. Adjustable tilt head control. The pivoting head allows you to direct airflow precisely where it's needed. Whether cooling equipment, improving ventilation, or circulating air across a wide floor area, the tilt mechanism adds real-world flexibility. Reason number 4. 3 practical speed settings. Multiple speed options allow you to balance airflow and noise based on the situation. Lower speeds work well for steady circulation, while high speed delivers aggressive cooling when conditions demand it. Reason number 5. Wide area circulation. The fan size and airflow pattern help distribute air evenly throughout larger rooms. This reduces hot spots and supports more consistent temperature control across open spaces. Reason number 6. Simple, tool-free setup. Assembly is straightforward and doesn't require special tools. From unboxing to operation, the process is quick, which matters in work environments where downtime is costly. Reason number 7. Safety compliance and reliability. The fan is ETL listed, meeting recognized North American safety standards. Combined with its solid build quality and being trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it inspires confidence for long-term use. Final verdict. This fan is not designed for quiet bedroom use, and its industrial styling prioritizes function over decor. However, for garages, workshops, gyms, and commercial spaces that need dependable airflow, it delivers exactly what it promises. Its strength lies in performance, durability, and straightforward operation. If you need serious air movement without unnecessary complexity, this is a solution you can choose with confidence and rely on every day.